Hello everyone and welcome. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be making a two-color design shirt, and it's going to have a glitter design on it. And these are going to be the colors that I'll be using today. I'm going to make this into that, so you guys don't want to miss it. So here's a quick preview of the design. It's going to be red and gold. Okay, we have our two colors. Now it's time to do the weeding out. So this is how glitter logos are made. Hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys until next time. Thanks for watching.